Chiefs versus Bears. I was the Bears. I have a 67 overall on my team. 23-23. So now we're versing Green Bay Packers. So let's see how we do with them. So we've lost one game, and we've won one game, we've lost another, and then this is my third game. And this is the fourth episode because the first one I just goofed around just to see what happened, and I played a little bit. So you don't really want to watch that one. So. Jeez. I don't know if that's right, but okay. Oh, yeah. I completed it. There we go. So, this is the third game of the season. Oh, nice ball. Nice ball. Keep it. And hopefully we can go to the Super Bowl and win the Super Bowl. Alright, so oh, inches, isn't it? I had to do something more. Yes, again, I always say it because this is first down. Nice. This is recorded by Mobizim. So I have to say it because whenever. Whoa, that was a big hit. Alright, we're gonna do a pass. Now I'm gonna do him. And touchdown. So first touchdown, Chicago Bears, brought by 6. Yeah, because we just scored a touchdown. And there's 19 seconds in the quarter, so 2-point conversion is good. So, alright, let's do a kickoff. 8 points on the board. See if the defense can stop them. Pretty much did demolish them on that drive. Alright, see if we can down the play right. Ooh, we got lucky. If the other guy and behind the guy that had the ball, if he would have had it, I would have nailed him. Because I nailed the other guy. Oh, nice. I'm sorry for the disturbance. I am outside because it's now outside. And you can't really hear nothing, but my sister's messing around and everything. Ooh, and it's hit. Oh, what the? Oh, he had to throw it. Third down. Alright. Sorry about the wind chimes. Oh, no. Oh, he's going. Aaron Rodgers. Jeez. No. Get him. Don't let him go. Alright. So we had him right there, and we blew it. Don't let him. Oh, I thought that was a fumble, but. So we would have had it probably a touchdown. Alexander probably would have got him here to the home. Oh, fourth down, they have to punt it. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wow, I gotta go back. Is he gonna get this? He better get this. 6, 5. Oh, we got it. Oh, it's a good kick. Alright, so we're gonna return in the middle. Ooh. Good. If there's no one on that left side, we would have took it home. And you know, guys, I like doing this, so. Oh, no. Someone stop him. Oh, my gosh. Oh, that was a bad. Oh, crap. Oh, it's okay. Only up by 2. I do get a touchdown, I'll be in the lead. If they get a touchdown, they'll be in the lead. Oh, what are they? Oh, they're doing a squid kick. You can get that. Someone get that. Thank you. Thank you. Never mind. I should have took it around the other guy. There's another choice, and it's... Oh, caught it. Okay, I gotta stop passing. It's gonna end up being a reception. Yeah. And he caught it. Wow. Over 4 guys. And we got a 2-point conversion. We're in the lead by 6. So if they make a touchdown and they make a field goal, they'll be 1 and ahead of us. So I'm just gonna throw it. I might as well just kick off because there's 1 second. It ain't gonna matter when they touch that ball. Touch the ball and halftime. Right. Oh, we're gonna get him out first. Alright, so it's halftime. Alright. So, kick it off. So we're winning by 6. Winning by 6. So. No. Someone better get in. Alright. Alexander. Not really. Oh, wow. That would have been a pick, but I couldn't get the thing. I got it, but I didn't get any time. Ooh, 3rd down already. If we stop them here and get another touchdown, we're not in this game. If they don't come back. And he gets sacked. Get on the ground. There we go. Oh, with the nice spin. Uh-oh. Alright, so I got a good run. Maybe 20 yards. I'll take this home. Oh, and I got a good run. Oh, and I got sacked. My first sack of the night. Oh, and he caught it. Oh, wow. It was tipping over everyone, and he got it on his shoulder and caught it. What an amazing catch. And the 2 points is good. 24-10, 3rd quarter, 31 seconds. Let's go, guys. Alright. I'm going to redeem myself from that 1-loss game, or 1-point game, I mean. Bad thing by me. it's good. And get it, guys, I am outside, so. Alright, so, fourth quarter, I'm going to pause it right here for a minute, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so we ended up getting 2 touchdowns in the fourth quarter right off the bat, 19 seconds left, and 2-point conversions. Oh my, get him. Alright, see you in a minute. So 8 seconds I've been pausing just because I had some interruptions with the recording and stuff. Alright, so 3 seconds, 1, and we won versus Green Bay is out of bounds, 40-17. We got 2 touchdowns. Alright, so we won. See what we got. Alright, so we won versus the Green Bay, 40-17. And always, hoo hoo. And I'll see you guys next time.